today we are going to indulge in the rose, one of my favorite plants. Rose essential oil is known as a wonderful melter of wrinkles. Rose water as an amazing lotion that hydrates the skin and balances the pH level in our skin also. Rose petals are a wonderful ingredient for tea. They are a mild liver cleanser, and if you consider that in traditional Chinese medicine, the liver is the seat of anger, and roses cleanse the liver, but also are the plant that opens our heart chakra and creates connection to our inner peace and our inner love, but also connects us in harmony with the outside world and radiates love from the inside out. You can see how all of these qualities of rose come together beautifully. So they open our heart chakra, they create love and harmony within ourselves, which we then radiate outwards. At the same time, they cleanse our liver, and in so doing detoxify us and melt a furrowed brow.